'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this look. Yeah. So the first thing that we're going to be doing, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil in brown, and we're going to use that to carve out the eyebrows. And this pencil is a little bit on the, what are you saying? It's not brown like ashy brown. It's more of brown, like chestnutty kind of brown. Yeah, but I'm using it still because I love how it, does my brows or line my brows. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my Love Contours All from palette from NYX, and I'm going to use a dark brown color to just fill it in some more so it doesn't look as chestnutty as you can see. And I just use it and blend it out. Then I'm going in my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in dark 46. And I'm using this brush, and this is coming from my Sigma brush dupe. If you haven't seen that video, guys, go and check it out. I reviewed some brushes that I got from actually DHgate, and we did that. So if you want to see it, go and check it out. Yeah, and I'm using my Sylyne brush from Aliexpress to blend out the concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 35B palette, and this blue is so pretty, guys. Yeah, I love blue, I love mustard yellow, I love green, guys. So if you see me using, like, making different looks with these colors, is because it's my favorite. Now I'm going in with this MAC dupe. This is a 221 brush, and I'm using that to just blend it out further. Now I'm going to go in with this dark blue, and this is coming from the same Morphe 35B palette. This is a deep, deep navy blue. I was just using that to define the crease some more, so that when we go in with the cut crease, that area of the eye can be nice and defined. Yeah, so as you can see, we're just blending, and this brush is coming from the 18-piece Sylyne brush set that I reviewed on my channel, guys. Link to the right of your screen if you want to check them out. Really nice, affordable brushes. Only, I think, $12 or something, $12 US. So win-win situation, and they're really good. As you can see, I'm using it in my brush set, or in my eyeshadow review. Now I'm going in with my LA Girls Pro eyeshadow primer, and I'm using this brush also. It's from the same Sigma brush dupe. Guys, go and check out the link, go and check out the video. These brushes are great and they work. Cutting my crease with it, and I love it. So yeah, as you can see, we're trying to cut the crease, trying to ensure that I do it properly. So I just applied the Pro primer onto the brush, and then I'm just stamping it onto my lid to create the cut crease. And as you can see, that area where you see the primer, I'm going to get rid of that, so don't worry. And I'm just pressing onto my eyes, basically stamping the cut crease, so we can get that area nice and carved out. Yeah, so just be patient here if you're doing a cut crease. I love cut creases, guys. So yeah. So as you can see, I'm using a liner brush to just clean up that area, and I went in with the same navy blue to just carve it out some more. And then I went back in with the same brush that we used to just stamp it, so that the area can be nice and clean. So as you can see, this is my Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette, and this is a mustard yellow. I don't have a palette with mustard yellow. Oh, I think I have a palette with mustard yellow, but this yellow is really nice. I just love it. I love how the formula is very dry, because whenever you add the eyeshadow primer. It is very tacky, so when it's dry, when the formula is dry, the eyeshadow primer really it allows it to stick better when it's dry, if you know what I mean. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but I'm just packing that area, and as you can see, it's very clean. No, you don't have any problem. But the most important thing when you're going in with this primer is don't apply a lot, or else the eyeshadow is going to crack and look awful. So as you can see, I went back in with the liner brush, and this is also coming from the Sigma brush dupe, and I'm just lining it. So I decided to go in with this green from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just gonna add that to the outer corners, because I realized the blue that I use from the Morphe 35B palette, when I blended it out, it gave me like a greenish type of transition, but I didn't want to use it right at the outer corners because I would have to blend it out. So I decided to go in with the green, because the green is going to give it a nice faded effect, so that when we go in with the navy blue, now this is my magic palette from Juvia's place. This navy blue is very intense, so that's the reason why I went in with it, and I'm adding that, and then I went over the cut crease area to deepen it some more with that navy blue, because I didn't even remember that navy blue was very intense. It's more intense than the navy blue in the Morphe palette. So as you can see, I'm just adding that and I'm blending it, and I'm trying to deepen that area, because when I was applying, guys, guess what happened when I was applying this? I applied the shimmery green instead of the matte green, so I had to like try to get it off and reapply it, but it was fine. Everything was fine. So I'm just using the same blending brush that we used to blend out the transition shade, and I'm just trying to blend everything, because we don't want it to look too harsh. We want it to be dramatic, but we don't want it to be like super harsh and unblended. So we're just trying to blend as possible, best as possible. Oh, and I went in with the navy blue at my lower lash line, but that clip was so blurred, so I decided to just cut it out and to just tell you what I'm doing. And I'm using the same blue that we use as a transition shade to blend that under my eyes, and I'm using a Sylyne brush from the 12-piece Sylyne brush, the updated 15-piece Sylyne brush set. I'll attach a link so you can check it out if you're interested in these brushes. And as you can see, I'm going in with the same brush that we used earlier from the Sylyne 18-piece brush set, and we're just using that to just define and blend. Now I'm going to go in with my mascara, and that is just going to coat my lashes, so when I go in with my eyelash, it doesn't, you know, look white or crazy looking. Yeah, it just blends perfectly with the lashes. And I'm going to go in with these lashes. Guys, these lashes are coming from my sister. I stole them from her because I saw her when I saw a video that she did reviewing these lashes, I was like, I love these lashes, and they would fit my eyes perfectly, my small eyes. I think I want to do like a review, Aliexpress haul, lash haul. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm using a glitter liner because I just wanted something to the eyes to pop a little bit more. It was popping, I know, you know, the colors were popping, but I just wanted something extra and so forth. And I think I want to be playing with like glitters and so forth, because I haven't been playing with glitters and so forth. So I think I need to, like, you know, start playing with glitters and, you know, all of those stuff. As you can see, I'm just using the mascara to just, you know, coat my lashes and so forth. Now I'm going in my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. Yes, my favorite highlighter. It is actually a bronzer. On lighter skin complexions, this is a bronzer, but on darker skin complexion, it is a highlighter, and I love it because it gives me that nice natural kind of glow. It's not too much unless you pack it. You don't have to pack it. You just add a little bit, and it would look as if it's your natural, you know, your natural glow. And as you can see, I am using the same blending brush that we used to blend out the transition shade. It was a mistake. Didn't even realize that it had green eyeshadow on it. So you might see a little green right here. But yeah, and I went in and I highlighted my brow bones just a little. And this is basically it. Went in with my lip liner and some gloss. And that's pretty much. I did my skin after. And this is my face. I hope you enjoy this video. This hair is from Nadula. I'll give you information about the hair. It's very nice. It's kinky afro, what do you say, no, kinky curly, and it's like 26 inches long. So if you're interested in this hair, I'll leave all the information in the description bar. And this is it for my video. If you like it, guys, comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you think, share, and so forth. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.